was one of the best games I've ever watched. And congrats to
Really?
TNT. Oh, congrats to TNT. Ray ng Batak had the game of his life. Sinasabi rin ng mga commentators yun. He had 24.5 rebounds, 7 assists if I'm not mistaken. He really showed up. Sinasabi talaga natin na he could be one of the X factors for TNT if they will win this series. Pero sa nangyari today, especially with the news of Justin Brownlee dislocating his thumb, it's wait and see mode ang barangay.
Mhm.
They
Yeah.
are holding on to their rosaries, multiple rosaries, kneeling
Uh,
in front of the church, hoping that Justin
it's not
Brownlee,
serious. It's not
and
that
it's not
serious.
how
But
it depends how serious it is. Ganun na eh.
by
Anyway,
the
guys,
looks
welcome to
of
the
it.
podcast. Welcome to the podcast. Nico here with Graham. Wala si Mario. He has student pa yun, guys, sa mga di pa rin makabelieve. Yes, he is a student.
Yeah.
Graham, what did you feel during everything? Lahat yun. Like, ano yung mga gusto mo munang focus on? What do you want to talk about first?
No,
You want to focus on TNT first since they're the winners. Let's give them their props.
yeah, we can. You asked me about how I'm feeling. Alam mo, inside out, yung sabay-sabay nila pinindot yung mga emotions. Pero
Emotions.
halo-halo yung nung second half. Ganda.
Mm,
We will talk about Justin Brownlee maya-maya. But
yes,
Rey ng Batak, what a game. Ilang beses sinabi ni Carlo Pamintuan na this is probably a legacy defining game for Rey ng Batak. Kasi
it
we've
is.
always doubted the man, di ba? Not doubted, but we've always said na there
In a
will
way,
be games
downplay.
that
Would you say downplay?
siguro, oo, na
Uh-uh.
kahit gaano kaganda yung performance niya, we will say, oh, si Reyna Batak, there's a game or two na he'll lose a game for you. But tonight was not that night.
Hindi niya kaya.
I think the Hinebra coaching staff was kind of, tingin mo na surprise sila na nag-start si Ray over Heruela.
I mean, does it
Because,
really matter? Huruela
eh,
plays 4 to 5 minutes and then
yeah,
wala na. For me, it
sabi nga,
wasn't. It doesn't
sabi nga ni
change
Mario,
much.
di
I
ba?
think. Oh,
Ng Batak is only coming off the bench for the sake of TNT's
just saying he
bench.
came off the
Yeah.
bench. Yeah.
No, but I probably did not surprise them. But sobrang laking impact ni Ray ng Batak, especially, well, all throughout the game, he played good. But especially in the second half, no third quarter, grabe,
Mm.
parang, ano ba siya, seven straight points, 5 out of 7, the first 7 points of TNT, something like that.
Siya yung
So,
reason ba't sila nakara sa third. Di ba?
kasi they were down 6 entering the third quarter, di ba? And then, siya yung kumana ng kumana. RR Pugoy, hindi natin masyado naramdaman offensively of Tana too. But, he picked up the slack and that's we expect from these scorers of TNT. RHJ did not have a good game shooting wise offensively. Uh so no other option. I think yung panel hindi sila nahirapan kasi yung best player. Like
It-
no debate whatsoever.
This is one of the
It was
easiest
Reynang Batak.
choices. Mm-mm.
Oo. You think this is the best game of Reynang Batak's career? Like if
Yeah,
he will rank
it's a
any
game three
letran game?
finals.
Oo.
Yeah. Iba yung stakes pa rin ng PBA, bro. Like,
Yeah.
it's the pros. Uh, if they lose in this game, it's gonna go back to them. Like, even, di ba, alam mo, wala kang Justin Brownlee, tapos matalo
Oo.
kayo. Babalik sa kanila yun. Like, no matter how good, di ba? Like, so may mga stakes pa rin for TNT na ano ba yan? Wala na nga JB eh. Talo
Mhm.
kayo. So, he kind of saved them from that narrative na hindi nyo matalo ang Hinebra without a Justin Brownlee.
Oo.
But, Nambatak was fearless. Nambatak was
At the
hopefully,
guts, ano?
parang star talaga. Like, this is a star na pwede
Oo.
mo asahan. Because I felt like Oftana was, ano eh, he was just backing up Ray ng Batak. If you're a first-time PBA watcher, you would think that Ray ng Batak's the best player for TNT today. And then, sila Calvin Oftana just backed him up. And the runs really started with him. Pamatay sunog shots din si
Oo.
Reynang Batak and ultimately was the one that killed Hinebra in that corner, left corner three.
Oo. Ganun naman kasi yung TNT na yung composition ng team nila. Like,
Yeah.
on any given night, especially pag all Filipino, pag pinanood mo, parang ba, first time mo sila mapanood, oh, this is the best player. Pag nood mo na next team, ay, iba pala yung best player nila.
Ay,
So,
wala.
Oo, di ba? No? So it could be Oftanet, it could be Pugoy, sometimes it could be Eram or Nambatak. In this game, it was Ray Nambatak. In the end, sobrang sakit nun sa Barangay Ginebra how many offensive rebounds they gave up to TNT, like two or three chances. Um, but he had the guts. I'll say na para siyang si ano dun no? Si Derek Fisher. Mga left-handed clutch three ni Derek Fisher when he
Yeah,
was
yeah, exactly,
with the
yeah.
Lakers, di ba? He was kind of their savior in the clutch if Kobe's not going. Uh, in in rhythm talagang may kumpiyansa si Ray. If he was cold and he took that shot, tas sumablay, pagagalitan talaga siya. But he had the license that time
Di
na
siya mapagalitan,
whatever
I
you
doubt.
want.
Like, even if it missed, Graham, I doubt papagalitan siya. I mean, it was open. He'll take
Well,
it.
yeah,
He'll take it. Oh, take mo
yeah.
na yan.
I'm just saying that na if you're cold and then in that situation, pwede mo pang patayin yung oras eh. Yeah,
Yeah,
to
yeah,
burn
yeah, yeah.
some clock. But yeah, he had tonight, he had the license, yung license niya. A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, lahat pwede niyang
Lahat
i-drive
ng
eh.
lisensya.
O lahat ng
Lahat ng
lisensya,
permit.
meron siya. Oo, and he proved that that shot was the dagger. Great win by TNT. We normally see this. I just want to add na when
Mm.
when a team loses its best player, yung kabilang team parang nagiging complacent. The other day, di ba, yung Warriors tinalo ng Nuggets without Nikola Jokic and Jamar
Yeah,
Murray.
yeah. Oo.
And then I think one of the Hinebra finals nung walang import yung Bay Area. I mean, import naman lahat yun, di ba? But technically wala si Andrew
Import naman lahat
Nicholson
yun.
and wala rin si Powell.
Oo.
Uh, and then they beat Ginebra in one of the finals games. So
Oo.
we normally see that na parang, okay, wala si Brownlee. Kaya natin to. Biglang naging disorganized din yung TNT. Sinabayan nila yung Ginebra sa pagiging disorganized na pagkawala ni JB. But in the end, they were able to come away with it. If Ginebra was able to come away with a game to win na they're not confident with, baliktad naman.
Mm.
Ito naman, TNT naman ngayon. No, they're not happy with this win if you're looking at it in a way na dapat mas malaking lamang natin, same way na sinabi natin sa Nebra in game 2, but they take this win. They now lead the series 2 games to 1.
Exactly. Before we move on to talk about things to watch out for in game 4, Graham, anything about Barangay Ginebra? Let's give it to I want to give it first to the bench, no? RJ
Mm-hmm.
Abarientos he did great, right? Pero
Uh,
again, it's inexperience yung dun sa last part na it
Especially
led
in
to
the
a
last
turnover,
few
'di ba?
minutes.
Parang
Oo, ang dami nun.
after
In the
timeout play
last
yun, 'di
few
ba?
minutes. Yes, yung down three sila,
Mm.
and he took it one-on-one against Kelly Williams. So, by the way, I think Carlo Pamintuan said na 2 decades yung pagitan nila halos in
Parang
terms
ganun
of
na nga.
being drafted in the PBA, and he locked him down. So
Mm.
that's a rookie mistake. I mean, RJ Barrientos had rookie mistakes. After ng three-pointer niya, ankle breaker. After nun, parang nag-solo ball sila eh. They just watched RJ play one-on-one, and then si Scotty was on the bench. So parang doon nasira yung momentum when they went up by 2 or 3, I think.
Mm.
Uh, it's tough to win without Brownlee. But you have to give credit to them na si Troy parang nawala yung sakit ng paa eh. Pagalis ni
Right?
Brownlee.
Grabe yung
Exactly, di ba? No?
parang mas ano pa yung hustle niya eh. Parang times two. Parang okay, rat-rat.
Oo, adrenaline siguro yun no, na wala na talaga
Adrenaline.
si Brownlee. Then we have no one to give the ball to. So tulong-tulong tayo. Jamie Malone had a great game. He scored off the bench, I believe 11 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 11 points for Jamie Malone though. Hit a couple of three-pointers. So ito na yung sinasabi natin na advantage ng Ginebra, di ba, pagdating sa bench. We just did not see an injury of Justin Brownlee coming. So that's the story. I mean, some people will say, okay lang yan, lumaban yung Ginebra hanggang dulo, nothing to be sad about. No, there's no moral victories in the finals. Like the score will not tell
Talo
you,
kung talo.
oh,
Talo kung
one
talo.
one and then moral victory one. No, it's 2-1. Walang ganun. Walang moral victory dito. So there's that. I know that there's optimism for Barangay Nebra fans na we're able to hang on with TNT in this game, especially in the second half pag-alis ni Brownlee, but you cannot expect that to continue. Because
Mm.
RHJ, hindi natin siya masyado naramdaman tonight. Nakakatawa nga, no? Actually, hindi nakakatawa, but parang yung atmosphere lang nung dulo ng fort, parang boxing na eh. Kasi pinupunasan na yung mukha
Oo,
ng mga player. Nagdudugo,
dumudugo
di
na
ba?
lahat eh.
Even si Scotty, di ba? That's how close this series is. The loss of Brownlee does not equal yung loss ni Castro sa TNT. Like, that's times two, times three, because that's Justin Brownlee. But right now, TNT has the upper hand. Whether Brownlee comes back in game four or not, because we cannot expect him to be 100% in game four, TNT has the advantage in this series. So wala na yung Ginebra in 5 ko, tapon na natin yun. Not gonna
Wala na
happen
eh.
anymore.
Yeah, and then again, this is a looming news or announcement. We're just waiting for the announcement.
We
Itutuloy
will
pa
be
ba nito
waiting.
Leo Brownlee? Itutuloy pa ba? Or sasaksakan ba ng painkillers? And is a dislocated thumb? Is it the right or left?
It's a shooting hand. It's his
Good
right
luck. So, yun na lang
thumb.
yung masasabi ko, no? Good luck. Kasi kung left, pwede pa. Guide hand lang yan eh.
Uh,
'Di ba? But here, the thumb can change so much in a shot. 'Di ba?
oh, and din yung tatargetin ng defenders. Like, tatapik-tapikin niya,
Oo,
nahampasin yan, di ba?
tatak-tapikin yan. Like, 'di ba?
It's they're not gonna be kind to him. I mean, after the game, they'll hug him and probably apologize. But in the game, ito yung trabaho namin.
Para
If
trabaho
you
natin
come
to.
back
Kailangan
in
manalo,
game
bro.
four,
'Di ba?
like, are we talking about yung buto ba yun? Is it a ligament? Di ba? Is
Hindi
it a
natin alam.
muscle that got torn? So, we're waiting for updates. May nakita nga ako sa Twitter, no? Sabi, kunin niyo yung kapatid ni RHJ. Nandun naman sa likod ng bench ng TNT.
Hindi
Palitan mo si
Kunin niya
Brownlee.
yan. Paglaban niya silang dalawa.
Di ba? Or nakauwi na ba si Kadim Jack, si Ian
Si
Thompson?
Kaninja.
Di ba? Kung hindi pa, kunin niyo muna. I read articles earlier kung pwede mo pala. They can change anytime. They can change imports anytime. Even
Really?
in the
They
last game of
can?
the finals. So it's a choice.
I
It's
don't
going
think
to be a
do you think they're
short
gonna do?
turnaround. If
Tony Bishop,
Brownlee,
where are you? Let's go. Tony Bishop, Graham needs you. Your number
no,
one fan.
no, no. We've already seen that that's not gonna work.
Tony
Ito si Tony
Bishop,
Bishop. But
Ginebra
uh
legend.
yeah, for sure. Yeah. No way in hell. But in in reality, and more seriously, I think if Brownlee is out, kunin mo kuha ka na import, yung hindi pa nakakauwi. Like, I'm serious, nabasa ko yung natawa ako, but
Who's
that
here
makes
though? Like,
sense.
yun yung una kong question.
Yung
Like,
kapatid niya ni
kidding aside
RJ na
na,
naglaro
si
din sa
Ronan
TNT.
din. Pwede ba yun? Parang wala ba yung rights niya sa... Wala
Oh,
naman...
well, I was not able to read about the rights. Yun nga yung nahanap ko eh. Wala akong nakitang article about that. The only thing that I saw is pwede ka magpalit na import anytime. Which TNT did in one of their finals. Yung Grand Slam bid nila against Petron nung natalo sila. They
Oh, I don't...
changed import eh.
Who did they get?
From Scotty Reynolds, pinalitan nila ni Maurice Baker. So
Oh,
si
yeah, yeah.
nauna nila import yung Baker, pinalitan nila Scotty Reynolds. And then nung game 6 pinalitan ulit nila ni Mo Baker. So they can do that. However, Hinebra has only had Justin Brownlee for this conference, this season, if I may add.
And
Um,
knowing Coach Tim, Graham, like, he's gonna think about chemistry. Coach Tim is really into chemistry, di ba? Di mo nga sa Gilas, di ba? Ito pa kaya ang Barangay Nebra? You think he's just gonna pull out a random import and be like,
well, you
what do you
can make an
think?
argument that it's better to have an import and, ma-disturb ng kaunti yung chemistry than yung
Then
chemistry
none at all.
na, na wala kang import. Like, nandyan lang si Justin Brownlee, hirap na hirap ka na kay Ronde Hollis Jefferson. Ano pa to ngayon? Diba? Like, you only have that, and that's the downside. You only have tomorrow and Friday to prepare for that.
Friday na next game, di
So,
ba?
Friday yung next game sa
So you
Antipolo.
only have
So,
tomorrow. Technically,
you
tomorrow
only
na
have,
lang.
yeah, na tumawag. Hey, Kadim Jack, andyan ka pa ba? May plano ka na ba? May kumuha na ba sa'yo? Ganun.
Nasaan ka na?
I'm really
Thailand?
serious, bro. Yung kapatid ni Ronde Hollis Jefferson, I forgot the name of that guy.
Magaling si ano,
Uh,
magaling yung kapat. Wait lang. Rahim? Wait lang.
Rahim, yeah,
Rahim
Hollis
ba?
Jefferson.
Tama, di ba?
Hold on.
Wait lang.
Uh,
Wallace Jefferson.
it
Ronde.
is Ralier
Ralier. Ralier
Hollis.
on
No,
the
no,
Hollis
no, no, hindi.
Jefferson
Si,
brand.
si Ralier, si Ronde eh.
Hindi.
Uh,
Ito, Ralier. Ralier. Ralier Hollis Jefferson, brother niya.
Ralier Hollis
Ralier.
Jefferson. Yeah, okay. Di ba? I mean, that makes sense. If TNT will allow it, di ba? If there are rights that
Na hindi natin
TNT
alam.
holds or
Oo.
hold. then you have to make that move. If walang rights in TNT, then go. Who's preventing you? Nandiyan lang siya sa likod ng bench. Uh, and then you're gonna pay him. But that's a conversation that Ginebra staff is going to have because if there's no Justin Brownlee, we'll have a coronation on Sunday in Game 5. Like, it's TNT in 5
Oh
if
yeah, yeah,
walang
yeah,
Justin
yeah, yeah.
Brownlee. Diba?
It
So,
looks like ganun na nga. Nabaliktad yung
oh,
prediction. But then again,
k-
your prediction is way the Justin Brownlee.
kasi it would have been live if I I mean we hate to do it in hypotheticals, but the way Ginebra played tonight na kung nando si Justin Brownlee, there's a big chance they would have won. But we cannot dwell on that anymore. So we'll just base it on what we see right now. If Justin Brownlee will play and he can be the Justin Brownlee that we can, that we're expecting by God's miracle, di ba? Then then go. I'll stick with Ginebra. If he's not 100% or they don't have him at all, the series is over. Like
Oo,
we,
or para lang may konting ano dito yung mga nakikinig na Gin fans. You guys need Jamie Malonzo to score at least 15 plus points a game. You need
mhm,
RJ Abarientos to score 15 plus a game. And you need Mav Messi to score at least 10. To at least have a shot in winning a game.
yeah,
'Di ba? And that
exact.
is
Tama.
close to impossible considering ano, binabantayan na grabe talaga yung ano talaga na may RHJ na demands so much attention, 'di ba?
Oo.
And we know
Sobrang
Steven
galing
Holt
pati niya sa
naka-cap na eh.
depensa.
Oo.
Oo. Like, what else can Stephen Holt do on RHC? Lahat na eh, di ba? Wala.
Bineta to
He,
nila lahat.
every skill that he has, tinapon niya na kay RHJ defensively. Hinayaan niya na yung offense niya eh. Di ba? Hindi na siya
Wala na siya
nagdadala ng
hindi na
bola.
niya hinahanap,
Wala na.
hindi na niya nakafocus na
Wala
talaga
na.
siya.
So, unless you get Justin Brownlee to be healthy in game 4, there's no way Hinebra's gonna win that game. I would say that I had something to say na medyo nakalimutan ko, but you have to look for an import if you're Barangay Ginebra. There has to be someone in there that you can tap. Katatapos lang ng well, yan na yun, no? Katatapos lang ng finals, na semis eh, di ba? So there's a chance na nandiyan pa yung i-import sa Northport and TNT. Pero hindi rin kasi pasok sa system nila eh, di ba?
Well, again, gaya ng sinabi mo, import better there's better with an import than
Baga,
no
yeah.
import at all.
No import, exactly. I know, I was about to say, Poy Eramin Japet Aguilar with another
That was funny.
epic matchup.
Yung mga
Ayan na naman
atenista
sa
na to, ano eh. Di ba? Mga ateista yung dalawang yun eh.
Oo, niloloko nga ni Carlo Pamintuan si Coach Norman Black sa panel eh. Parang yung mga boys na pinanood mo lumaki, di ba? Na now you're
Talaga,
watching them.
parang anak ni Coach Norma, he watched them grow.
Oo, oo,
Dalawang
di
yun.
ba? I think si Poyeram kasali siya dun sa if not yung buong
He's
five
after
pit yung
Baklaw. He was after Baklaw eh. Sa alam
oo.
ko.
So nandun siya sa 5 pit team. Na, I mean hindi niya nabuo like Nico
Yeah,
Salva.
hindi na nabuo,
But
but he was a
mm,
champion.
he was he
A
was a
UAP
multiple time
champion.
UAP
Oo.
champion. So um trade lang sila like match yung ano na yun eh. But Rain ng Batak tonight was good dun sa
He
prediction na
tilted the whole game. He
sa
tilted the
predict
whole game.
actually equal lang sila ni Scotty pag tiningnan mo yung contributions
Equal
niya
na
because
sila after him.
Scotty had to do other
So much.
things. Like
Mm.
siya yung naging focal point nila eh nung wala si Brownlee. They couldn't do anything without Scotty Thompson. Uh so there's that. And then RJ Barrientos, he hit a couple of three-pointers, I think three. I
Ganda ng
predicted
snatchback
five.
niya.
Oo, but uh, in the end, broke a mistake. Medyo masama daw yung pakiramdam nito ni RJ
Yeah, I
Barrientos.
saw.
Not
Yeah, I
feeling
saw our
well.
loves. Yeah. But
Oh,
then
so we
again,
have to.
the fans
This is the finals
will
eh.
put
Tsaka,
that aside eh. They're like,
oh,
okay, whatever. Like, yeah, gets natin yun. Pero, PBA fans are ruthless. Even your own fans,
oh,
di ba? They're like, nabigay niya ba yung panalo? Hindi. Okay, tapos.
oh.
Let's go to
It
game
doesn't
4.
matter.
Ganon.
It doesn't matter kung may sakit ka or not. Actually, we won't mind
Unforgiving
RJ
sa
Barrientos.
players. Unforgiving sa
Oh,
players
we
talaga.
won't mind RJ Barrientos not scoring as long as nanalo yung team niya. But tonight, they did not. And let's be honest, he was one of the contributors to that loss, di ba? Yung mga turnover
Hmm.
in place that went nowhere. So now that my prediction is wrong,
Destroyed.
uh, Oo, destroyed,
Oo.
annihilated, whatever you want to call it,
Ano na,
then
ano na?
I deserve a second chance. If
Of course.
Justin Brownlee does not play anymore, then TNT wins in five.
Meron ka bang ano,
Dire-diretso na to.
meron ka bang ano dyan? Na TNT and 5? Meron ka bang ano?
No, no, hindi ako nakapag-prepare kasi ang ganda ng laro. Actually, nag-uusap tayo, no? Sabi ko, prepare a Coach Sonny Jaworski tribute or something because this is a legacy NSD moment to na pull off yun ng Ginebra. Like,
Oh, yeah.
if tanungin mo yung mga lolo natin na, o bakit kay Ginebra fan? Ah, kasi si Jaworski nung nasiko siya sa bibig, tapos bumalik siya galing ospital. Tapos yung mga tatay naman natin, nakabalik ni Ginebra 3-1 against Shell. With the Rudy Distrito shot. Tapos si iba naman, nung nag-champion ni Ginebra, 0-5 nag-start with Chris Alexander. Or nung tinapos ni Brownlee yung kangkong era. This would have been the follow-up of that. They were not able to do so. But if they win this title, bro, without Justin Brownlee or with the limited Justin Brownlee, like, grabing grabe yung legacy iwan nitong basketball team na to. But I don't see that coming with a reduced Justin Brownlee. Not even, no, I think he's not gonna come back healthy. So I have
I don't
TNT
think so.
winning this series
He's not
already.
gonna come back healthy. That's a dislocated thumb. It's not a sprained thumb. It's
Oh,
dislocated. Ang question is, is it a clean
dislocate.
dislocation o may kasama pang ligaments na ano? 'Di ba? It's more of that na eh. Hindi
Yun
yung
nga, di ba?
tipong, 'di ba?
But but to me, it doesn't matter kung dislocated. Kasi yung sprain, lalagyan mo na yellow, di ba? You're not gonna, hindi mo nagagalawin. You'll
Oo.
try as much as you can na wag galawin. Ito dislocated. Ito yung kinakas, di ba? Ito yung nilalagyan ng ano ng splint or something like
Ito
that.
na yun. Tama na yun. Yun na yun na. Kung
And
lalaruin
you
mo.
cannot play with that because I mean even if it's not your shooting hand,
Sakit nun,
you're gonna be disturbed. So
Madidisturb ka. Hindi papaluin, pero tatapik-tapikin.
tingin mo di pa paluin ni Eram yun? Pag nakita ni Eram, nilalabas mo yung kamay mo. But
Ay, ay,
no,
ay.
this has tilted dramatically into TNT's side in you know there's nothing wrong with changing your pick based on what recently happened. If he never lost this game with Brownlee and he's not injured, then I still would have gone with him. But no way they're gonna beat
All right. So
Curtis
with
Brown.
how things are going on, let's end the podcast here, guys. With if Justin Brown doesn't play the rest of the series, we will admit it. It looks like a TNT and 5 is in sight, or
Yeah.
maybe
Mm.
Ginebra could just squeak in one. Magkaka-NSD moment sila, but it's still
Uh,
TNT in 6. So
no, yeah.
that's how things are looking like with TNT in 5. The more probability. And sayang, we were it could have been a hell of a series.
We were in for a great series na nung pinag-uusapan natin the other day na mukhang magsi-7 to. Ganito kadikit.
Pero
Um,
wala na ang Brownies, so
wala eh. Oo. You cannot do anything about that. Get ano, get the other RHJ if you're if you're in
get
Nebra.
Raleer. Get
Oo.
Raleer.
He's ano eh. Alam niya yung tendency ng kapatid niya. Naglaro na siya sa TNT last season, di ba? Why not keep siya? Pwede. Pasok sa height limit yun eh.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you for listening. For those on Spotify, follow 5-star rating on YouTube, like, comment, subscribe. Nico here with Graham. Abangan nyo, we still have post-game reactions for Game 4 to whatever this
In game 5.
series.
Yan.
And Game 5.
Oo, baka nandiyan na si
Nag-resign
Mario.
ka na sa fact na end Game 5. The
No,
close-out
hindi.
game.
I mean, guaranteed kasi may game 5.
Oo.
Because
Tama naman. Tama
it
naman.
came from 1-1. So, nagtatrabaho pa kami at least until Sunday and from that we'll know. Nandun na si Mario for sure and alam ko marami naghihintay kasi pag natatali ni Nebra, gusto lang makita yung reaction ni Mario. Mario is doing something more important right now than to
Oo.
cry for a Hinebra loss.
All right. Graham, thank you so much, guys. See you all
All
next
right.
time. And
Adios, amigos.
be what do you call this? Be nice in the comments as always. Peace.
All right.